ॐ ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। Hare Krishna, dear devotees, welcome to our ISKCON Bula official YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss 13th chapter of Srimad Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela. I have described it in part 1, now I am describing part 2, verse 88. लोकनिवारित हैला तीन मंडल प्रथम मंडले नित्यानंद महाबल. Just to check the crowds from coming too near the Lord, the devotees formed 3 circles. The first circle was guided by Nityananda Prabhu, who is Balaram himself, the possessor of great strength. Verse 92. Yanagale Srinivasa Premavistamana Raja Age Rahi Dekhe Prabhu Nartana. While the king beheld the dancing, Srivas Thakur, standing in front of him, became ecstatic as he saw the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Raja Rage Harichandana Dekhe Srinivasa Haste Tare Sparshi Kahe How Ekapasa. Seeing Srivas Thakur standing before the king, Harichandan touched Srivas with his hand and requested him to step aside. Verse 95. चापड़ मारिया तारे कैल निवारण चापड़ खाया क्रोध हैला हरिचंदन. Srivas Thakur slapped Harichandan to stop him from pushing him. In turn, this made Harichandan angry. So 104. सर्वांगे प्रस्वेद छुटे तते रक्तोदम गम जग जज गग जज गग Jadagada Bachana, Gadagada Bachana. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's whole body flowed with perspiration and at the same time oozed blood. He made the sounds Jaja Gaga, Jaja Gaga in a voice choked with ecstasy. Couldn't speak Jagannath, Jaja Gaga like that. 105. Jalayantra Dhara Jaiche Bahe Asru Jala Asapase Loke Lokajata Bijala Sakala. Tears came forcefully from the eyes of the Lord as if from a syringe, and all the people surrounding him became wet. Such is the mystic power of the Lord. Verse 109. Kavu netre nasaya jaya mukhe pade pena amriter dhara chandra bimbe bhai jana. Water flowed from his eyes and sometimes through his nostrils, and foam fell from his mouth. These flowing appeared to be torrents of nectar descending from. So 113. Seita Parananatha Painu Jahan Lagi Madana Dhan Jurigenu. Now I have gained the Lord of my life, in the absence of whom I was being burned by Cupid and was withering away. Verse 118. Gaura Jadi Pache Chale Sama Hai Stire Gaura Age Chale Sama Chale Dhire Dhire. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dramatically enacting the song, he would sometimes fall behind in the procession. At sometimes, Lord Jagannath would come to a standstill. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again went forward, Lord Jagannath's car would slowly start again. Verse 119. Hey Mata Gaura Sami Duhe and Thalatali Sorate Samir Rakhe Gaura Mahabali. Thus there was a sort of competition between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Lord Jagannath in seeing who would lead. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so strong that he made Lord Jagannath wait in his car. Verse 120. Nachite Nachite Prabhura Haila Bhavamantara Hasta Tuli Shokapade Kari Uchaisara. When Sri Mahaprabhu was dancing, his ecstasy changed. Raising his 2 arms, he began to recite the following verse in a loud voice. अवश्य से राधा कृष्ण करे निवेदन सही तुम्हें सही आमी सही नव संगम. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spoke thus to Lord Jagannath, you are the same Krishna and I am the same Radharani. we are meeting again in the same way that we met in the beginning of our lives. Verse 134. Swarupa Gosai Jane Na Koi Arthata Sri Rupa Gosai Kaila Se Artha Prachar. The meaning of these verses was known to Swarup Damodar Goswami, but he didn't reveal it. However, Sri Rupa Goswami has broadcast the meaning. What is the mystery of Rath Yatra? That people do not know. This is the mystery. Verse 189. तभी महाप्रभु रथ प्रदक्षिणे करिया रथ पीछे जाई ठेले रथ माथा दिया. After circumambulating Jagannath, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went behind the car and began pushing it with his head. 190. ठेलिते ही चैल रथ हड़ा हड़ा करी चतुर्दिगे लोक सभा बोले हरि हरि. As soon as he pushed the car, immediately started to move, making a rattling noise. The people all around began to chant the holy name of the Lord, Hari Hari. Verse 191. तभी प्रभु निज भक्त गण लया संगे बड़देव सुभद्रा गृह नृत्य करंगे. As the car began to move, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took his personal associates in front of the cars, occupied by the Lord Balaram and Subhadra, the goddess of fortune. Greatly inspired, he then began to dance in front of them. 192. तहाँ नृत्य करी जगन्नाथ आगे अइला. जगन्नाथ देखी नृत्य करित लागिला. After finishing the dance before Lord Balaram and Subhadra, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came before Lord Jagannath's car. Upon seeing Lord Jagannath, he began to dance again. चढ़िया आइल रथ बड़गंडी स्थाने जगन्नाथ रथ राखी देखे ढाईने भामे. When they reached the place called Badagandi, Lord Jagannath stopped his car and began to look left and right. Verse 194. Bhame Vipra Sasana Narikela Vana Dahine the Puspodhyana Jena Vrindavana. On the left side, Lord Jagannath saw a neighborhood of Brahmanas and a coconut tree grove. On the right side, he saw nice flower gardens resembling those in the holy place of Vrindavan. 201. Bhogera Samaya Lokera Mahavida Haila Nritya Chadi Mahaprabhu Udyanigala. While the food was being offered, a large crowd of people gathered. At the time, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stopped his dancing and went to a nearby garden. Verse 205. Eita Kahila Prabhura Mahasankirtana Jagannath Rage Jeche Karila Martana. Thus I have described the great performance of congregational chanting by Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as he danced in front of Lord Jagannath. 206. Rathagrate Prabhu Jeche Karinartana Chaitanya Stake Rupa Goswami Karya Chivanana. In his prayer, known as Chaitanya Staka, Sri Rupa Goswami has given a vivid description of the Lord's dancing before the car of Jagannath. 208. Iha Jai Sune Sei Sri Chaitanya Pai Sudhara Vishwasa Saha Prema Bhakti Hai. Anyone who hears this description of the car festival and will attend Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He will also attend the elevated state by which he will have firm conviction and devotional service and love of Godhead. So thank you very much for listening to this lecture, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like our channel and get the blessings of the Lord. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.